What's going on, guys? Sparta Elephant here, and on last video, I did a hand reveal, and now I'm showing my face, which is kind of scary because people will make fun of me, and if you make fun of me, it's not nice. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I'm going to be changing my channel name to Aksel because I just don't use the name Sparta Elephant anymore. I feel like having my real name is, I don't know, I feel like I'm more accountable for my decisions, especially when I'm online. I feel like people know my name. I'm able to relate to them more when they tell me things and stuff. So yeah, I'm not gonna be using the Sparta Elephant name no more. Um, it's just gonna be named Axel lowercase a because I don't know why not why yes. And yeah, I hope you enjoy my future videos. Like, subscribe, and now, Phantom, you have told me that you want a rap battle, a diss track. So, um, here goes. Um, fat, you're fat, and you, you're British, and you're kiddish. Yeah, meanie. I'm not gonna say a bad word because that's not nice. Yes.